in downtown Albuquerque will be closing at 6 p.m. But not to worry, we have evening concerts down at the Civic Plaza main stage. And that's going to be featuring Will Bannister, Robert Mirabal, and Los Lobos, and that's going to begin at 5:30 p.m. So I'd invite you all, after you've partaken in all of our beautiful events here in downtown Albuquerque, to head over to Civic Plaza for all of those shows tonight. All right, the next group that we have up for you are a Southwest Blues rocking band from the Navajo Nation, and they are New Mexico Music Award winners. They are a young Native American family power trio who are finishing up their second 2012 tour. The West Coast, touring 12 major cities with fellow blues band Indigenous. The band continues to make heads turn, receiving great reviews of their live performances. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the hardest working blues band and amazingly talented sons of Native America, Levi and the Plateros.
Doing out there? You guys doing good? We get some vocal in here, man. That's alright. One, two, test, 1, 2. 1, 2, test, 1, 2. 1, 2, test, 1, 2. It's good to be here in our hometown, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. A little more, just a little more. Back there, the drum wedge too, if that's alright. Test 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Test 1, 2. All right.